Hello guys and welcome to another video. I will be trying to solve more questions on mathematical physics. Okay. We solved 10 questions in the previous class, so this will be question number 11. Question is, what is the angle? What's the angle between the surfaces between the surfaces y square plus z square is equal to 2 and y square minus x square is equal to 0 at the point at the point 1 minus 1 1. Okay. What is the angle what is the angle between the surfaces y square plus z square is equal to 2 and y square minus x square is equal to 0 at the point 1 minus 1 1. Okay. Option A 60 degree, option B 30 degree, option C 45 degree, option D 90 degree. Try this question. Yeah, 1.5 minutes to try this question. So in order to calculate the angle between two surfaces, we have to find their normals first. For example, first surface is your y square plus z square minus 2 is equal to 0, like this one. Second, this is f1. So this is, suppose this is a, this is z, this is g is equal to a y square minus x square is equal to 0. So these are the two surfaces. But to find the normal, so what will you do first? We will calculate grad f. Gradient f is equal to del f by del x I cap plus del f by del y j cap plus del f by del z k cap. Okay. So if you calculate it, that will be 2y j cap plus 2z k cap. Okay. And the point is what? 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1. So if I put the values, that will minus 2 j cap plus 2 k cap. So the normal to f will be what? Normal to f is actually del f cap. That means del f divided by magnitude of del f. That is minus 2 j cap plus 2 k cap whole divided by 4 plus 4. So minus 2 j cap plus 2 k cap divided by root over of 8, that is 2 root 2, minus 2 j cap plus 2 k cap divided by 2 root 2. Okay. So yeah. So that will be minus j cap plus k cap whole divided by root 2, isn't it? So this is your del f cap. This is normal to f. Okay. Now the other surface is what? G. Okay, so we will find that for that one too. So G x y z is equal to um, what? Y square minus x square minus is equal to 0. So del G is equal to um, 2y I cap. So 2y j cap minus 2x I cap. So point is 1 minus 1 1. So if I put it here, the minus 2 j cap minus 2 I cap, that is, I write it properly, minus 2 I cap minus 2 j cap. So normal to del g will be what? Del g cap. Del g cap, that is del g by del g magnitude. So minus 2 I cap minus 2 j cap divided by 4 plus 4, that is again root 8. So minus 2 whole into I cap plus j cap divided by 2 root 2. Root 2 cancel. Minus of I cap plus j cap divided by root 2. Okay. So this is one normal, this is one another normal. What is the question? What is the angle between them? What is the angle between two vectors? Suppose A and B are two vectors. What is the angle? Angle is cos theta is equal to A dot B divided by A magnitude B magnitude, right? So that will be A dot B will be how much? It's minus J plus K by root 2 dot minus of I plus J by root 2 hmm, divided by magnitude. This is root 2 by root 2. Magnitude will be 1. This is 1. Okay. So the that will be what? Minus J dot minus J is plus 1. So 1 by 1. So the angle is 1 here. You see, right? Is it correct or did I do a mistake? Magnitude of A be root 2 by root 2 now. That will be 1. If you see, this is magnitude of A will be root 2. This is otherwise minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 square root over 1 by 2 1 by okay 1 by root 2, yeah, 1 by root 2, and this one will be also 1 by root 2, right? Okay, oh, it is all right actually. This is root 2 is 1 by 2 now. I'm missing that, yeah, 1 by 2. So theta is equal to cos inverse 1 by 2. That is your 60 degree. Okay. The answer will be 60 degree. चाबी नहीं वाला. This is the answer. Next question, question number 12. The Euler polynomials, the Euler are defined by Euler polynomials are defined by 2 e to the power xs divided by e to the power x plus 1 is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to infinity e n s x to the power n by n factorial. Okay, what is the value of what's the value of e5 to the power 2 plus e5 to the power sorry e5 3 e5 2 e5 3? That is the question. Please try. The Euler polynomials are given by this one. So we have to find what is the value e5 e2 e5 of 2 e5 of 3. We have to find it from here from the formula that is given. So try. Okay. So how to solve it? See, this is a Euler polynomial. So just you have to remember some formulas. En of x1, x plus 1 plus En of x is equal to 2x to the power n. Okay. Then so E5 of x plus 1 plus E5 of x would be how much? You just put the value here, 2x to the power 5, right? X to the power 5. So now if you see what is in place of x, 2. This is 2. That means x is 2 and x plus 1 is 3. So x is actually 2. So if your x is 2, just directly put it here. That will be 2 into 2 to the power 5. That is 2 to the power 6. That is 64. Okay. Just have to remember this formula for Euler polynomials, and that would help you solve this question. Is it alright? Okay, next question. Question number 13. Consider a 2 by 2 matrix. A is equal to 11301. So what is the value of a to the power 27? Okay. Option A 11301. Option B 113 to the power 2701. Option C 12701. Option D 135101. Just try this question. अरे भाई थोड़ा आपको ना पूछना काम ना हेलो मुनिया আমাদের বড় হচ্ছে অনলাইন হতে हाँ कहो ना कहो हाँ 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 हाँ, ठीक है सर हाँ हाँ ठीक है हाँ बोले ठीक है Okay. So how to solve this question? See, given, here what is given? Given a is equal to 11301. Okay. So it can be easily proved that, like, we know there is a formula for it, that is a to the power n is equal to 1 13 n 01. Okay. So here if you see, what is your n? N is your a to the power 27, right? So a to the power 27. So n is equal to 27. So a to the power 27 is, just put the value of 27 here. 13 into 27 is 0. 1. That will be what? 27 and 13 is how much? 1, 2, this is 8, 7, and 15. Okay? 0. Okay? So that is the one. This is the answer. So if you see the options, option D is the correct answer. Okay? Just remember this formula, just a trick. You don't need to do it, okay? Just remember the trick. Alright? Yeah. Question number 13 done. Question number 14. What is the value of the integral? What is the value of the integral? Integration minus infinity to plus infinity dx delta square minus pi square cos x. Okay, let's try this question. Dx delta x square minus pi square cos x dx. This is a Dirac delta function. Okay, let's try this question. What's the value of the integral? This. So you have to find the Dirac delta function here. Let's try. You have 1.5 minutes. Okay. So here, see, this is the Dirac delta function. How to solve it? So first, let me do this one. This one we can write it as 1 by pi minus minus pi, okay, delta x minus pi plus delta x plus pi, okay. Is it alright? So if you see, this is your 1 by 2 pi, hmm, delta x minus pi plus delta x plus pi, okay. Is it alright? So if you see, I'll just directly, this is just the properties, using the properties, I will directly put it here, okay. So if I see minus infinity to infinity, 1 by 2 pi delta x minus pi plus delta x plus pi, okay, and that will be cos x dx. So if you see, you can take your 1 by 2 pi out, and integration minus infinity to infinity delta x minus pi cos x dx plus minus infinity to infinity delta x plus pi cos x dx. Okay, so if you see, I can this is pi is between minus and between, so I can directly put it here. So 1 by 2 pi cos pi, that is minus 1, and this is also cos pi, like cos minus pi is cos pi minus 1, right? So this is how much, minus 2 by 2 pi, that is minus 1 by pi. Okay, that will be the answer. Is it all right? Yeah, minus 1 by pi. Next question. Next question. There has to be um, consider the function f x y is equal to x mod x minus I mod y, in domain in which domain which domain of the complex plane, in which domain of the complex plane is this function analytic. Okay, option A, first and second quadrant. I will just write q1 q2, first and second quadrant, then second and third quadrant, second and fourth quadrant. Option D is a novel. Okay, let's try. So the function fxy is equal to x mod x minus I mod y. Which domain of the complex plane is this function analytic? Okay, let's try. Let's see. We have to first write the function. If we write the function fxy is how much? Mod x minus I mod y, right? Hmm. So, in the first quadrant, it is what? Mod x is equal to, like, this is like this, plus plus, um, minus plus, minus minus, plus minus, right? So, in the first quadrant, fxy is how much? X minus iy, okay, which is actually z star, isn't it? Z is your x plus iy, na? So, this is z. So, z star is what? It's not analytic. Z star is not analytic. Okay. Next Q2. Q2 is your fxy, not analytic. Okay. Fxy is what? Minus plus, so minus x minus iy. See, this is minus x plus iy, right? So minus x plus iy, that means minus z. So minus z. So z is there. That means it can be analytic. So it is analytic. Okay. So second quadrant is analytic. Let's go to third quadrant. Third quadrant F will be what? Everything is negative. So minus x minus minus, so that is plus y. So this is a minus of x minus iy. If you see, so this is minus z star. So z star means it's not analytic. Okay, z star means not analytic. Now the final one is q4. Q4 f is equal to minus x minus what? Y is negative. So minus of minus y, that means plus y. Sorry, this is plus now. X is plus, y is negative, but minus minus plus. So this is z. Z is what? Analytic. So that is your, so Q4 and Q2. Okay. So second and fourth quadrant are analytic. Option C is the answer. Okay. Yeah. Whenever there is Z, it is analytic. Z star is not analytic. Okay. If there is a X term, that is also not analytic. Okay. Remember that way. Okay. So these are the some of the questions we did today. I hope you understood. Okay. We'll be solving more questions in upcoming sessions. Okay. Thank you very much for watching.